At Rendora, there are thousands of high-quality 3D virtual avatars for you to choose from. But do you want to customize your exclusive 3D avatar by having a personalized makeup and hairstyle? Rendora's powerful 3D avatar creation feature can meet your needs. In 3D Avatar, choose your preferred virtual avatar. Click on Outfit, randomly select the attire that matches your video vibes. Whether it's business suit, sportswear, or casual outfit, trying them on is as easy as ABC. Click on Hairstyle. Switch between long hair and short hair as you wish. Go to Edit Hairstyle, where your avatar embraces unlimited possibilities. Next, enrich your avatar with accessories, such as simple earrings or ear pendants. Try on this pair of glasses. Wow, you just turned into a beauty. There are also different styles of makeup waiting for you. We also support custom logos, giving your avatar a stronger brand identity. Finally, click Create Avatar, and you're good to go. Let's say you want to share some light, interesting knowledge outdoor. This relaxed sport fit creates an approachable and friendly image for you. Maybe you need to attend an internal training program, then check out this business casual outfit. It'll perfectly match your training scenario. Or perhaps you'd like to host an online press conference. A tailored suit and neat hairstyle will definitely make you look professional and reliable. That's not all. I've got an exciting surprise for you. A feature that allows you to generate virtual avatars by uploading photos is coming soon. Stay tuned for more sneak peeks. Want to experience personalized 3D virtual avatar customization? Click on the link below and try it out.